Good morning from sunny Warsaw in Poland. This is where we camped last night. Lovely wee spot. €5. Hello. Nice one. So we're all more or less all packed up, ready to go. Davey's just doing the last few bits in there. There he is, there is he? It's very hard to see in this camera's tiny little screen, so that's why I have to keep looking all the time. Here we go. Right, map time. What have we got going on? We have from Slovakia, Prešov. We came up the back roads over the border, all the way up through here. Really good roads all the way into Warsaw, and we stayed literally where I think we're 2 kilometers from the city centre of Warsaw. So that's where we're leaving from this morning, and the plan is skate around, go between the Russian border and the Belarus border into Lithuania. So Russia's there, Belarus is there, going into Lithuania, and we'll make a decision whereabouts in Lithuania we stay. The weather's supposed to be absolutely gorgeous the next few days. It was beautiful yesterday, all day, fantastic day's ride. So we're going to take advantage of that and see how far north we can get into Lithuania, and that's the plan. That's the plan for today. Here's Davey all getting packed up, ready to go. Alright guys, take it easy. Cheers, bye bye. Okay guys, we're about 100 kilometers outside Warsaw now, north of Warsaw. We just hit the motorway to get us out of Warsaw, and now we've come off the motorway. That's the motorway there, literally straight on up. We've come off the motorway now. We switched motorways off on Google Maps, so avoid motorways now. We've just come off, so we got about 6 hours 8 minutes Google Maps is to our destination. Now we may or may not stay there, may crack on further, but the day is to be like this. It's absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to hit the back roads now, all the way into Lithuania. Okay, talk to you on the way. Driving the back roads of Poland. This is coming up to the Polish-Lithuanian border. Lietuvos Republic. Cool. How you doing, Davey? Aye, good. No man's land, yes. Lithuania, Poland.
I'll take this off for my photo. If you wouldn't mind taking my photo, Andy. Take a joint one as well.
Welcome to Latvia. Latvia over there. Lithuania over there. And Davey there. We made it to Latvia. Okay. Bye bye Lithuania. Hello Latvia. Let's crack on, Davey. Right, what we got? We got about an hour 36 to go. Hour 36 to go. We're gonna head to Riga. And take it from there. Alright, go for it, Davey. Alright, see it. Alright folks, welcome to Latvia. This is just wild camping in Latvia, just outside Riga. The campsite we came to see doesn't exist anymore. Must be closed down due to COVID, I don't know. But this is where we're staying tonight. We just pitched up here, and that's our view of the sunset over there. Davy's
it's one of these things where we know the weather's going to be quite bad up in Norway and sort of Finland.
We're set up there now.
Gives us a couple of days if we needed to just
over there. So, welcome to Latvia. Cheers guys, bye bye.